Tell me the most annoying thing about blacks.
Literally for how inconsistent they are.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so guys, just one thing I want you to quickly do for me before we continue. Just what did you feel when you watched that first part of the video? Leave it on the comment section and tell me what immediately came to your mind. For the meantime, let's just watch people's reaction on this video and then we come back and talk about it.
Tell me the most annoying thing about blacks.
Literally for how inconsistent they are.
Girl,
let's take a look.
me?
For example, these are all black, but this is darker, but this is a little bit darker. This is pretty dark, but that's not as dark, and this is pretty light. Here's another example. I painted all of this the same color black.
You right.
All of these are the same color black. But this is so much lighter than this.
It is,
and
right.
This is a different color from that.
It
although
is.
they're the same material. And this is like real black. And the same with like this bottom of the TV. Like seriously?
Right.
Why is it not the same?
Bad.
She's black and she's not even like black.
Tell me the most annoying thing about blacks.
Literally for how inconsistent they are. Let's take a look.
Bitch, I know you lying.
For example, these are all black, but this is darker, but this is a little bit darker. This is pretty dark, but that's not as dark, and this is pretty light. Here's another example. I painted all of this the same color black. All
Baby,
of
I need
these
to be
are
more
the same
specific.
color black. But this is so much lighter than this. And this is a different color from that. Although they're the same material. And this is like real black. And the same with like this bottom of the TV. Like seriously? Why is it not the same? She's black and she's not even like black.
What?
Tell me the most annoying thing about blacks.
Literally for how inconsistent they are. Let's take a look. For example, these are all black, but this is darker, but this is a little bit darker. This is pretty dark, but that's not as dark, and this is pretty light. Here's another example. I painted all of this the same color black. All of these are the same color black. But this is so much lighter than this. And this is a different color from that. Although they're the same material. And this is like real black. And the same with like this bottom of the TV. Like seriously? Why is it not the same? She's black and she's not even like black.
Tell me the most annoying thing about blacks. I'll go first. Most TVs can't display a nice black image because the LCD layer can't fully block the backlight, so blacks appear dark gray at best. So what you're going to want to get is an OLED like this TV. This TV is on, but since it doesn't use a backlight, the blacks look amazing.
So guys, my first instinct when I saw this video, of course I didn't finish watching the whole of it because you get that instant reaction when you hear the word black, you know.
Yeah.
So when I saw this video, I was like, oh my
Wait
god,
a minute.
these people are going to be under so much fire because
The things you don't say.
Yeah, the things you don't say, and you need to be more specific, as one of the reactors said, because when you say black is not consistent, as we automatically think it's a race thing, you know.
But I feel like it was made to raise eyebrows because the guy literally, you know,
they were leading people somewhere,
you know, so because
and for this many people to catch that direction, it was because it was well executed. The intentions behind it was to lead people somewhere.
yeah, and then like who would blame black people, to be honest, for being sensitive? You know, every black person is sensitive because, to be honest, I'm African and I live in Africa, but
And
when
I had the same
this, I was
reaction.
like, wait, what's going on, you know?
And then
so,
we started listening keenly.
yeah, so black people are just minding their own white people. Should I say white people or black people? They're minding their own business, and then a white person comes from somewhere and says, you know, tell me what you hate about blacks. Like, you need to be more specific.
Yeah, this is why we titled this video funny jokes that are not so funny about black. You know, you guys just need to be more specific when you quote the word blacks.
Yeah, knowing the history of black people in America, you, like as I've said, you understand why they're very sensitive about topics to do with black. And I feel like this guy, he's a comedian. I feel like he intentionally did this
Yeah, he
because
was driving people people towards a specific angle.
Direction, and I guess that is where the humor comes in because
we all thought it.
Exactly. And then the second lady, if you get to watch the stitch before the original video and you see the video for the lady, she's also not being specific. You know, he's like, tell me something you hate about black people, and then the lady says
about
blacks, and then the lady starts saying, I hate blacks for its of their inconsistency.
I hate blacks for their inconsistency. And you know, in the black race,
it's a person's what is it called?
Right. And then you know, in the black community, there are a lot of shades of black, well, dark people.
Right.
There are dark people, there are brown people, there are, you know, different shades.
Yeah. And then she's like, you know, this black is this. So she explains further. So only by watching the video do you get to see what she meant. But I can say it was a nice, humorous video, but I don't know how many of you are going to find this funny or not. Just leave it on the comment section about what you think about this video,
because I know some will find it funny, but some will be slightly offended, you know. So just leave us a comment on what you think about.
Especially because it's coming from white people, you know. So it tends to raise a lot of eyebrows.
And so guys, you might think this is a humorous video, but I think if it was coming from a black person, they would have caught the joke. But if it is coming from a white person, you see why people are
guarded.
Guarded and quick to raise an eyebrow. It is not a funny joke.
Yeah, some jokes fly and others don't. Yeah, but you guys, let us know what you think about this episode in the comment section. On a lighter note, if you've watched this far and you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to our channel. We also have channel memberships. You can join our channel memberships and turn on the notification bell so that you can be getting more of our fun episodes and our recent uploads.
Right.